Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing your sugar thermal gel polish for you, so make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So first, apply a thin layer of base coat. Always remember, when applying gel polish, the thinner the better because it is stronger and it lasts longer. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. So first is I'm gonna try the Your Sugar Thermal Gel Polish shade 04. So apply a thin layer of thermal gel polish. And then cure for 60 seconds. Next is apply the second coat of thermal gel polish. When applying gel polish, make sure not to touch the skin around the nails to avoid skin reaction. Then next is cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. So this is what it looks like. Next is apply top coat. Cure again for 60 seconds. So this is what it looks like under a warm temperature. And here I have ice cold water to test the gel polish and see what happens. Oh wow, it changed the colors right away, guys. And this is the same gel polish shade. And watch what happens when I rub my nails. It changes the colors. It went back to white silver color. And then I'm gonna put it again in the ice cold water and see how the color change. That is amazing. So next is I'm gonna try the Your Sugar Thermal Gel Polish shade number 10. And this is what it looks like, the shade number 10. And now try it with the ice cold water and see what happens. wow, that is a beautiful color. I love the color. And next is I'm gonna try the Your Sugar Thermal Gel Polish shade number 22. It is a purple color. So this is the shade number 22, looks like under a warm temperature. Now I'm gonna try it with a ice cold water. Oh wow, that is a very beautiful purple shade color. And in the middle of the nail, if you notice the gradient color in there. And next is I'm gonna try the Your Sugar Thermal Gel Polish shade number 12, and it is a white and black glitter color shade. And this is the shade number 12 look like, and we'll see how it works with the cold water. Wow, that is beautiful. I love the color. I love how it turns out. It's like a brown color. Next is I'm gonna try the Your Sugar Thermal Gel Polish shade number 2. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out, and I will also leave the code to you so you can get 15% off. This product is available on Shopee at yoursugar.ph. And this is the shade number 2 looks like, and we'll see how it turns with the ice cold water. Wow, I love the color. It is beautiful. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.